Hello students, welcome to the channel. In this target 750 plus video, we'll look at miscellaneous practice. This is the 7 such set of mixed problems that you're likely to see on SAT Math or ACT Math. So let's begin. Question 1, let R be the result of doubling both the base and the exponent of a to the power b, where b does not equal 0. If R is the product of a to the power b by x to the power b, then what is x? Okay, so R is the result of doubling both the base and the exponent. So 2a to the power 2b, right? So this I can write as 2 to the power 2b times a to the power 2b, right? Which is 2 squared 4 to the power b times a to the power 2b. So I have written R as a to the power b times x to the power b, right? So if I were to find x to the power b, I would have to divide R by a to the power b. So that's 4 to the power b times a to the power 2b by a to the power b, which is 4 to the power b times a to the power b, because 2b minus b is b. So that is 4a to the power b. So if x to the power b is 4a to the power b, then x would have to be 4a, option C. Question 2. An altitude h of a triangle is increased by a length m. How much must be subtracted from the corresponding base b so that the area of the new triangle is 1/2 that of the original triangle? So we have, let's say b and h are the base and altitude of the old triangle, and b dash and h dash are the base and altitude of the new triangle. So h dash is h plus m, right? Because the altitude is increased by a length m. Now, let's say we need to find b dash first. So area of the new triangle is half times area of the old triangle, right? So 1 by 2 b dash h dash is 1 by 2 of half b into h, right? The half and half cancel. So b dash times h dash is bh by 2. So b dash is bh by 2 h dash. So that becomes bh by 2 times h plus m, right? Because h dash is h plus m. So this is the new base b dash. Now the question is, how much must be subtracted from the corresponding base b to get b dash? So my answer will be delta b minus b dash, right? Because I've got my new base. So how much did I subtract from the original base? B minus b dash. So that's b minus bh divided by 2 times h plus m. So that's 2 times h plus m, 2bh plus 2bm minus bh. So that's bh plus 2bm divided by 2 times h plus m. So if I take b common, 2m plus h divided by 2 times h plus m. So this quantity must be subtracted from the original base to get the new base. So the answer is option D. Question 3, the yearly changes in the population of a town for 4 consecutive years are respectively 25% increase, 25% increase, 25% decrease, and 25% decrease. The net change over the 4 years to the nearest percent. So let's say we start with 100, right? After the first year of 25% increase, population becomes 125. After another 25% increase, it becomes 125 into 1.25. After a 25% decrease, it becomes 125 into 1.25 into 0.75. And after the final 25% decrease, it becomes 125 into 1.25 into 0.75 and another 0.75, so 0.75 squared. So let's plug this into the calculator. 125 into 1.25 into 0.75 into 0.75. So that's 87.9, right? 87.9, so nearly 88. So I went from 100 to 88 over a course of 4 years, net change, right? So that's a 12% decrease. So option A. Okay. Question 4. The polygon formed by y is equal to 3x plus 2, y equal to minus 3x plus 2, and y equal to negative 2 is what kind of figure? Okay. So y equal to 3x plus 2 will pass through 0, comma 2. It will be the y-intercept, and the slope will be positive 3. So let's say this is y is 3x plus 2. And y equal to minus 3x plus 2 will also pass through 0, comma 2, right? So this is also passing through, and here the slope will be negative 3, right? And y equal to negative 2 will be a line parallel to the x-axis, right? Where this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. So I can see that this is a triangle, right? So it's not a quadrilateral. And what will be this point? This point is the intersection of y equal to negative 2 with this line. So negative 2 is negative 3x plus 2. So 3x is 4. So x is 4 by 3. So this point is 4 by 3 comma negative 2. And this point would be negative 2 is 3x plus 2. So 3x is negative 4. So this point is negative 4 by 3 comma negative 2, right? So what is this distance? This distance is from minus 4 by 3 to plus 4 by 3. So that will be 8 by 3, right? And what about this distance? This distance is going to be square root of 4 squared plus 4 by 3 squared. So that's square root of 16 plus 16 by 9. So if I take 16 outside the square root, 4 times 1 plus 1 by 9. So let me write here. So that's 4 times under square root of 10 by 9. So that's 4 by 3 root 10. So this distance is 4 by 3 root 10. And this distance will also be 4 by 3 root 10, right? Because the coordinates are the same except for the negative here and the positive here. So I see that these two sides are equal because they are 4 by 3 root 10 each, while the third side is 8 by 3. So that's not equal. So this is an isosceles triangle, option B. Okay, so that was a quick drill of 4 advanced math problems. Hope this exercise helped. If it did, hit like and subscribe to the channel. Check out the other advanced drills in the Target 750 Plus playlist. I'll see you guys in a new video soon. Take care. Bye-bye.